Yo, what's going on, you guys? Welcome back to an episode of Fishing me, DYang. I'm out here with my boy Danny. We're out here on the Milwaukee River waiting in the water. So I'm kind of nervous. A couple guys already went upstream, so I'm hoping that they missed the good spots that I know, at least, or I think I know. We'll see if we catch some smallmouth. I don't know how this is gonna go, so hopefully I can hook up my brother with some big smallmouth bass, right? The water is a little chilly. There's a little cold front moving in, but that's okay. It gets rid of the mosquitoes for us. It's 6 o'clock. It's more like 6:03. We're gonna try our best. Hit up the spot real slow. Look for these big smallmouth. We're gonna work downstream and upstream. Stay tuned, and so stay tuned, and we're gonna have a good time, you guys. I got a little challenge here, right? I got my Piscifun Phantom on this really tiny bait caster. Okay, this is a quantum rod here. I got a tube tied on. Let's see if we can land some fish here. I really want to figure out the pattern. It's getting laid out, sun's setting down pretty quick. Let's have a good time, right? All right, let's try this out, yo. Look how small this rod is. Real small. You got one? Let's go! My brother Danny's on! Bring it in, bring it in! Hey, boys on! Nice, bro. I told you, this fish, don't reel it too tight, let your line go. Not too tight, yeah. Let him go, let him go. He ain't gonna get away, he ain't gonna get away. I told you, bro. Hey. Nice, dude. Grab him by the lip first. No. Just pinch it, yeah. He ain't gonna do nothing. There he goes, yeah, and just pop the hook off. Nice, dude. I told you, yeah, there's fish in here, just a matter of time. That's it. Huh? Nope, pull it out. No, you gotta hold him real tight, right? Yeah, don't worry, you ain't gonna hurt him. Just hold him tight, look, just. Oh. Yeah, just real hard. Shit. Go ahead, release them. Your catch. Nice, bro. Nice. Fatty, you see how fat they are? Yeah. That's what I'm saying, they're out feeding. Yep, just throw them back in the water or just release them. There he goes. Nice, bro. So you see the spot here? Look how you read it, okay? Here's the highway. The traffic is happening from this calm area and across. See that? This is the highway. Imagine you're just trying to cross. So all you gotta do, watch out. All you do is cast it over there. You see that? Oh, I got one. Nice. Right there. Oh, shoot. Oh, it's a nice one. Woo. It was right in front of your foot. I got one, you guys. Yes. Let's go. What the heck? I was just casting there earlier. Hey. Nice little guy. Got one? Oh, it's a big one. Wait, don't reel it. Don't let him run. Let him run. No, not like that. Turn your knot. Turn it, yeah. Turn it. You gotta loosen it up a little bit. Okay, let him run. Dude, it's a nice one, bro. Nice, dude. That's a big one. Bring him in. Bring him in. You can bring him to the shallow. Nice, dude. That's huge. Grab his lip. Grab his lip. Hurry, hurry. Hurry before he runs. Your line's not that strong. It's a finesse line. Grab his lip. Grab it. Pinch it. Pinch it. Just pinch it. You're good, you're good. There he goes. Pinch it right. Hey, dude, that's a big one, dude. Nice. Nice, bro. That's awesome. Let me help you out. Then he choked this thing. I told you they're in here. It's just big, dude. Let's get a picture and then get a release. Just drop your rod right there. Let's go take a picture. All right, Danny, your first smallmouth. That's awesome, dude. Good job, man. That's a chunky guy, too. Nice. That's awesome, bro. There he goes. Back into the little pool. Nice, bro. Alright, Dan, what were you using?
I don't know. What is
Show the camera, you guys. This is the legendary ripple shad with a 1/4 ounce, no, this 1/8 ounce jig head, you guys. That's what I live by right there. So I gave it to my brother Danny, and he's killing it today. It looks like it's about to rain, so we gotta hurry up, you guys. Let's get some more fish. I got the Get Bit Baits tube on. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but I got the tube on, you guys. This is the leech color, so let's keep fishing, man. Let's have a good time. There's a tree there. Oh, dude, it's stuck, dude. You might have to go get it. I got a big fish on. What the heck? You guys, I got a nice smallie on. Dude, what the heck? I was still helping my brother. Hold on, dude. You gotta hold on, bro. Dude, it's a big smallie. I'm still up. He's stuck in the tree. Whoa! I was helping him in the tree, dude. Dude, look at this. Finesse fishing, yo. Look at that. Whoa! It's a nice smallie. Let's go. That's a big one. You got it, Danny? They're fat as heck. Oh. Oh, gosh. Ah. Dang, this guy was caught before. Nice, dude. Check that out. Yeah, he was caught before. Got a bruise on his mouth.
You got caught before?
Yep. Nice, dude. This is about the same size as yours.
Oh.
Nice smallie, you guys. Dang, I was not recording. Okay. That is the money spot right there. Don't go too close. Yeah, right there. You can't cast up. You gotta cast side. You gotta release from the side like this. Like that. You gotta release it from the side. I'm on. That's a big one. That's a big one. Dude, that's the one. That's the one. This is the one I lost. It's on you. I'm on. This is the one I lost, bro. I know because of the way he's fighting. Big, 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 big. Woo! Look at that. Gosh, oh gosh. That's a nice smallie, dude. Check that out, you guys. That's a very nice smallie. Look how, dude, look how they're fighting, bro. All right, dude. Oh gosh. Fine, come over here. Damn, nice, dude. It's a 2-pounder. Dude, check it out. Just more, dude. Get in there. Get in there. Big old head, bro. Told you I wasn't too worried when those 4 guys said that they came through here. Dude, look at that, Danny. Nice smallie, dude. Well, we're gonna get her back in the water and catch us some more. You got one, Danny. Nice, nice, bro. Reel it in. Let him fight. Let him fight. Oh, it's a pike. Nice, dude. Yep. Hey, bro. And I turned the camera on. Yeah, lay him on the mud. Yep, there he goes. Grab him by the neck and get the hook out. You need help? Let me help you out. Yeah, let me help you out. Go ahead. Just yank it out. Don't be afraid. Yep, just yank it out. Oh gosh. Okay, here. Hold him. Grab him. Grab him. Grab him. Squeeze him real hard. Yep. You ain't gonna hurt. You're not gonna hurt him. Yep. Squeeze him real hard. Wash your hand first. Yeah. Don't pinch his lip. He got teeth. Bend. Yep. There he goes. Just throw it back in the water. Yep. Just throw it back in. He's good. Yep. There he goes. Nice, bro. It's shallow over there. Oh, what the heck? Right by my foot. You saw that? Dude, he's so chunky, dude. Look at his stomach. You got one, dude. Oh, I thought you had one. Right there. You see him? Right here. Look, he's huge. You see him, right? Nope. Right here. Oh, it's coming, dude. Just go to the shallow area so you can see it. Where'd he go? Where'd he go?
Somewhere.
Careful, dude. Bite.
Somewhere in there.
Hell no. He's... Alright, let's go to the shallow area. Come on.